Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of insurance, unraveling its complicated and helping you make informed decision. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable insights. Let's get started. Segment number 1: Understanding the basic. Host Insurance can be a bit overwhelming, but it's critical to grab the fundamental. We will cover the basic types, including life, health, auto, and property insurance. Remember, each serves a unique purpose in protecting different aspects of your life. Insurance comes its own set of terms can be confusing. Today we are demystifying the jargon. For deductible to premiums, we will break down these terms so that you can confidently navigate your policy document. Common mistake to avoid. Mistake happen, but when it comes to insurance, some can be costly. We will discuss common pitfalls people fall into, like underestimating coverage needs or neglecting to review policies regularly. Stay tuned to save your life from potential headache. Tips for choosing the right insurance. Selecting right insurance can be overwhelming, but fear not. We will provide practical tips on how to choose the right coverage for your needs. This includes evaluating your lifestyle, comparing quotes, and understanding policy features. Now let's address some of your burning questions about insurance. If you have any question during this segment, feel free to drop them into the comments below our next session. That wrap up today's deep dive into insurance. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to protecting yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, at a thumb up and benefit. Also, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay informed and stay covered. Segment number 1: Understanding the basics. Insurance can be a bit overwhelming, but it's critical to grasp the fundamentals. We will cover the basics types, including life, health, auto, and property insurance. Remember, each serves a unique purpose in protecting different aspects of your life. Insurance comes with its own set of terms that can be confusing. Today we are demystifying the jargon from deductibles to premium. We will break down these terms so that you can confidently navigate your policy document. Segment number 3: Common mistake to avoid. Mistakes happen, but when it comes to insurance, some can be costly. We will discuss common pitfalls people fall into, like understanding coverage needs or neglecting to review policies regularly. Stay tuned to save yourself from potential headache.